Hi guys, welcome to our mini chit chat.
I'm with Miss Angel. So in this evening, we're going to discuss about our reaction or what can we say about the sudden death of Miss Eman Atienza. And do you think she deserves hate at the age of 19?
Of course not. Nobody deserves hate. No. At a very young age, she's very vulnerable, and she needs time to actually she needs guidance. She needs love, and of course she has to be surrounded with different people that truly loves her. Kay, diba, like na talk sa Niza before that she suffered from mental health issues during 2023. Zay sabi sa taggoan tag share na videos, and she's an advocate for mental health, and kita sab, diba, so we need to take good care of our mental health. Sanan di niya kaso deserve ng hate because she's very lively, she's very adventurous, she's very kind. Like, how can people hate such a young and sweet soul, diba? She's someone's baby. My gosh.
Grabe. For me, dili gazod niya deserve. Deserve niya pa ko man mag-enjoy. Kay teenager pagod siya, di ba? So, dabo pa isa dapat ma-explore, ma-know about herself. So, ganun.
And I have questions for Miss Il. Kaya diba, ato lagi nahitabo kan Eman at Tienza, what can human do or what can we do to avoid this kind of situations na dili na mahitabo otro to other people as well na nagsuffer from mental illnesses or mental health problems?
Para sa awareness, para di nini maotro na panghitabo, connect with people. If dili ko comfortable good sa imo friend mag-share, you can,
Stranger.
yes, a stranger, o sa stranger gazud, always
No judgment.
remember na you have your family na ready to listen sa imo. Of course, family, di ba? What is family? Sak na part kay, kung magod gazud ako, grabe na ka-expressive sa, oo, ang ati sa school, permak ni sa pangutan-ak ni sa na, man, okay ra ko di doon. Kumusta ka? Amo sa na, thankful ako kay Zayak family na kashiran about sa ako feelings. After that, malighten man gud ang ako feelings. Amo zone. Next is be kind. Be kind to yourself and to others. 'Di ba? Everyone struggles at times, so let's practice self-compassion. Lastly is pray. Pinaka-importante sa tanan gazod. In my experience, syempre tawo ra taga sa 'di ba? Mahiubos ta. Labi na pag istoryahan tanan mga masakit na istorya. Ang akagazimon is tag-i-pray ko ra gazud na Lord, bless that person, Lord, kay wa sa kay ba sa taghimo, or Lord, tabangi ako, Lord, na ma-overcome ko ini. Then, oo, na maka-forgive ako. Then, ang akimuon magaza ra ako. Then, after nak magaza, pagkataod-taod, mawaya ra. That's how I handle that kind of situation. How about you, Miss Angel?
Actually, ako, like personally speaking, I grew up in a family na dili expressive. So I have to handle my own emotions. I grew up that I have to figure things out on my own. Like, kailangan ko magpaka-independent. Kailangan ko i-handle na ako emotions. Pero gusto ko i-break and cycle bitaw na mga itong bitaw anger issues ng mga tao or like if sa family na isog bitaw dazon. That I'm trying to reduce it na maging calm. Bisan uno ka stressful and i-throw ng life sa ako ng mga problems. For now, I'm trying to be more calm sa mga reactions na ako, especially to the people. And I grew up na ako nagtudlo sa kaugalingon that I have to be kind, and I have to na magkaroon ng empathy to other people. Kay I don't want other people to experience the things that I've experienced. Kay I was bullied when I was in elementary and high school due to my physical appearance. Kuno, like, I'm not that pretty, dark an ako skin, and panguan ako ilong, like all that stuff. Like, they told me na you're not pretty, dili makakuan, like, tapos tagkuan ko ra adto, mura taghimo ka to na motivation to improve myself and also to grow na may kuan sa mga tao bitaw na dili ko gusto na ma-experience ng other people and mga butang na ako na experience because I know how it felt na maing ana na mabully ng other people. Ug sa dili ko gusto sab na ma-experience nila jadto. Pero I'm still trying na bisan yaw tanak na experience, dili ko gusto na ma-experience jadto ng iba na tao. So let's stay kind and let's spread positivity because the world is cruel already. Tapos pati pa naman ang humans cruel sad, 'di ba? So let's stay positive and let's love one another.
Actually, when I was in elementary, I was bullied. Kay, lagi ako skin color,
Yeah.
morena.
I accept na yung ano ko color. It's beautiful.
Oh,
Na
yes.
brown siya. But it's gorgeous.
So, that's it.